He's competing for the same flowers.
About the size of your little finger and the weight of a 1-pence piece, the racquet-tail is too small to battle with the bigger species.
But he can outmaneuver the competition and sneak through to flowers undetected. This hummingbird's day is about to get even worse. Almost every afternoon it rains.
As the day cools down, he needs even more energy to maintain his body temperature. But on this scale, raindrops can be a force to be reckoned with. One sting could kill a young racquet-tail, but luckily he has superior agility on his side. Evening arrives, and this exhausted hummingbird can finally stop.